So I'm going out on a limb that the number one request on repairs is how do I get my footbed to be clean again? And it's a really tricky question because everybody's different. Some people don't have as much grease. Some people don't have as much oil and lotion that are on their feet. So it just depends. The best thing to do is you're going to want to get a loofah body scrub and Dawn dish soap, and you just want to make soap suds. It is a little messy, so you'll want to do it somewhere that you can clean up. You don't want to submerge the whole shoe. You just want to put the loofah body scrub in here and get in there and actually scrub. Your goal is to get that first layer of gunk out of there. So you kind of do that. It doesn't matter which flavor, Dawn, you use. I used the orange one in hopes that maybe it would smell a little better, but you're going to just put it in there. It's going to really darken the footbed, so don't freak out about that. But your goal, after you scrub, you kind of want to like scoop it out, which I know sounds really gross, but the goal is to get that first layer out of there. Okay, I'm gonna go rinse this out and I'll be right back. So I'm back with just clean water now and a paper towel. I've let the Dawn soap sit in there for a little bit, and now you're just gonna go back with a wet. You can use a rag, you can use a paper towel, whatever you want, and you're just gonna make sure that all of the soap is now off of there and as much of the gunk as you can get off. So you'll see that some of that's still coming off, which is a really good thing. So don't be stressed out that it's dark. It's okay. It will lighten when it dries, but now all of that is out of there. So you can kind of compare. I'm gonna set this under a fan right now so it can dry for about 20 minutes, and then you'll be able to see the difference, okay? So this is the footbed that I totally scrubbed out with that body aloof body scrub. So it is dry now, and you can totally tell the difference between the two. So this is the one I did, this is the other mate. So if you want to still rough it up a little bit to get it as new as possible, you'll go back to that suede brush that I had, and you're just gonna go in. I like circular motions because it seems to rough up the leather again, especially down in the heel. And you should smell this footbed. It smells so much better and it's clean. So yeah, it's like having a new pair, but your still pair is broken in. So you just rough it over. All right, there you go.